today we will be discussing the meeting links and the guest and host feature in Eagle 3D streaming control panels. Okay, so let's get started. So to get this feature under the meeting list, you need to go to controlpanel.eagle3dstreaming.com. After that, you need to go here, add application, then you need to load your application here. So a quick thing. So let's say this is your completed project. Go to edit, go to plugins. Make sure you remember to enable the pixel streaming plugin. After that, go to your map. You see, this is pixel streaming showing. That means the pixel streaming plugin has been enabled. After that, go to platforms. I'm currently using the Windows, so that's why go to Windows, go to package project. Now select a directory to package your project. Okay. After that, when the packaging has been done, you need to select everything. Then you can zip with the 7-zip. See? And this is the zip folder. We just need to drop the zip folder over here. Then it just choose a name. Then it will automatically upload. Okay, so let me demonstrate how can you use the meet and host link. So after uploading an app, you need to go to the meet links. You need to create a new meet link from here. Just click here and just click here. Yeah, it will create a new meet link. Okay. So after that, what you need to do, you need to copy the host link. So I have copied the host link. I will run the host over here. Okay, let's copy the guest link. I have copied the guest link. So I will run the guest over here and guest over here. You see, this is saying no meeting found because this is currently launching the app. That's why. It will retry, no worries. It is currently launching, so it will launch. Yeah. Yeah, play the game. Okay, play. Okay, first of all, so this is our host. You see, default host, default guest, default guest. These two are the guest. Okay. So here is the option. This is saying toggle meeting link. Okay, here you can see all the participant list and you can edit your username also. So let me put it like host and I will update the username and this username will be updated in everyone. So and I will put this one as guest1 and this one as guest2. Yeah, guest2 update username. You see, everyone has been updated. So let me close. We can control the screen from here. So this is the host one. So my mouse on the host one, and this is guest one. I'm trying to move my mouse. Yeah, this is the guest one, and let's demonstrate by moving to the guest two. Yeah. We can move along everything. You see, everything is same now. So this is the Eagles guest and host feature from the Meet link. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Visit us at eagle3dstreaming.com and follow us on social media for more insights.